In chapter 10, lesson number 5, surface area of a pyramid. What is a pyramid? What is its vertex and its base and its lateral faces and slant height? Let's read this text together. A pyramid is a three-dimensional figure with at least three triangular sides that meet at a common vertex and only one base. That is a polygon. Means this base could be a triangle, could be a square, could be rectangle. It's a polygon. The triangular sides of a square pyramid because the base shaped like a square. So we're talking about the square pyramid now, base shaped like a square. The triangular sides of a square pyramid are called the lateral faces. Lateral faces means not the base. The slant height is the height of each lateral face. So let's fill in the blanks for this one. Here, this is the vertex of the pyramid that all triangles will meet together. One triangle is one lateral face. All four triangles are lateral faces. Down the bottom is a square, so this is the base of the pyramid. The height of lateral face, the height of a lateral face is called the slant height. Why we call it slant height? Because we have another height, which is the inner height of the pyramid, which is the real height, but we don't talk about it right now. We are talking about the slant height is the height of the triangle on the lateral face. Now, Claude made a model. Claude made a model of the large pyramid in front of the Louvre Museum. His model is shown. So this is the base of the pyramid, shaped like a square, with side length 5 means 5, 5, 5, 5, as you can see. And here is the face. Here are the faces, the four faces, the four triangles. Each face shaped like a triangle with base length 5 and height 3.5. My question now, can I find the area of this square? For sure, 5 times 5. Can I find the area of one lateral face? For sure, half base by height, because this is triangle. So half times base, which is 5, times the height, which is 3.5. Can I find the four triangles? Of course, this one plus this one plus this one plus one. Can I find the surface area of the whole figure? Of course, if you add all faces, one square and four triangles, that's it. Moving on. So, surface area of a pyramid. Can we find surface area of a pyramid? For sure. If you find the base and the lateral faces and you add them all together, you will have the surface area of the pyramid. The surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the areas of the base and the areas of the lateral faces. Base plus lateral faces, this is the surface area of the pyramid. Example. Find the surface area of the pyramid. Use a net to find the area of each face and then add. This is a method of the book. The method of the book says that you are going to find the base. This is the base, so 7 by 7. the area of one face, one triangular side, half its base times its height. So half times 7 by 9 will give you 31.5. Now you have one square and four triangles, so 49 plus 31.5 plus 31.5 plus 31.5 plus 31.5 will give you 175. Now I'll tell you my method to find out this one. It has a rule. Let me tell you the rule. Surface area of a pyramid, area of base, because we have here only one base, not two times area of base like before, just area of base plus area of lateral faces. Area of base plus area of lateral faces. Remember this very well. Area of base plus area of lateral faces. Now, let's do it down to solve this problem. So, do these problems to find out. Problem A. Look at the base. So I need to find surface area. The base shaped like a square. So area of base means 16 multiplied by 16 plus area of lateral faces. We have here four faces, so 4 times area of one face, which is shaped like a triangle, so half times base of the triangle, which is 16, times height of the triangle, which is the slant height, which is 12. 16 multiplied by 16, 256. 4 times half is 2. 2 multiplied by 16, 32. And 32 multiplied by 12 will give you 384. Now, if we add 384 to the 256, this will give you 640 feet square. Now, problem B. The same rule. Surface area of a pyramid equal area of base plus area of lateral face. So I'm going to do this right now. Surface area equals the base shaped like a square, 3 by 3, plus we have four faces, so 4 times area of one face, it's area of a triangle, so half times base of the triangle, which is 3, height of the triangle, which is 4.5. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 4 times half is 2. 2 times 4.5 is 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 inch square. Let's solve problem C. This is triangular pyramid. It has base shaped like a triangle and it has 3 lateral faces, but our rule stays the same. surface area equals area of base plus area of lateral faces. Area of base plus area of lateral faces. So let's solve problem C. Surface area equals the area of base. The base shaped like equilateral triangle that has a base of 2 and a height of 1.7. So it is half times 2 times 1.7. Of course, I put here half because this is area of a triangle. Plus 3 faces. So not 4 like the previous time. This time we are going to write 3 multiplied by one face shaped like a triangle as well. So it will be half multiplied by the base of the triangle, which is 2 as well, multiplied by the height of the lateral face, which is 3.5. So half times 2 is 1 times 1.7 stays 1.7. Half of 2 is 1, so no need to evaluate this one. Half of 2 is 1. So 3 times 3.5 directly will give you 10.5. 1.7 plus 10.5, this will give you 12.2. Of course, 12.2 centimeter square. Now, the other one. Also, we have here triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. So the base shaped like a triangle. So half times base times height. The lateral faces, 3 faces. So 3 times. The area of a lateral face also shaped like a triangle. So half times base times height. But you need to differentiate between the base and height of the triangle in the base and the base and height of the triangle in the lateral face. This is what you need to pay attention for. So surface area equals area of base. Look at the base. It has base length 6 and height length 5.2. So half times 6 times 5.2 plus 3 faces. 3 lateral faces. Area of lateral faces are 3 this time. So one face shaped like a triangle as well. So half times the base also 6. But the height now is 8.3. So now what is half of 6? Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 5.2 is 15.6 plus half of 6. If you think of half of 6, half of 6 will give you 3. So 3 by 3, 9. So this is like 9 times 8.3. 9 times 8.3 will give you 74.7. Now, if you add this 74.7 to 15.6, this should give you 90.3 meter square because this is an area. Moving on. How easy the lesson is. How easy math is. Now let's solve some guided problem, guided practice to make sure that we understand the lesson very well. This is a square pyramid, so the base shaped like a square and it has four lateral faces. So surface area equals base shaped like a square, so 4 by 4, plus four lateral faces, one face shaped like a triangle, so half times the base of the triangle is 4 and the height of the triangle is 6. So 4 by 4 will give you 16 plus half times 4 is 2, 2 by 6, 12, 12 by 4, 48. So 48 and 16, this will give you 64. 64-inch square. Now about this one, also surface area equals the base shaped like a square, so 8 by 8, plus four lateral faces, one face shaped like a triangle, so half times base of the triangle, which is 8, height of the triangle, which is 10.7. 8 by 8 will give you 64. Half of 8 is 4. 4 by 4, 16. And 16 times 10.7. This will give you 171.2. Now, if you add this number to the 64, this should give you 235.2 meter square. Now, this one is a triangular pyramid, so the base shaped like a triangle and three lateral faces. So surface area equals area of the base. The base is a triangle, so half times the base length of the triangle is 5. The height length of the triangle is 4.3 plus 3 lateral faces. One face shaped like a triangle, so half times its base, which is 5, times its height, which is 6. So this is like half times 5, which is 2.5, and 2.5 times 4.3 should give you 10.75, plus half of 6 is easy, so half of 6 is 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 9 by 5, 45, and if you add this number to the 45, this will give you 55.75 centimeter square. Problem 4. Pyramid-shaped gift box have square base. Oh, square base. So base shaped like a square, and we have 4 faces that measure 5 inches on each side. The slant height is 6.5. How much cardboard is used to make each box? Very easy. So we are going to say surface area equals area of the base shaped like a square, so 5 by 5, plus 4 faces, one face shaped like a triangle. This triangle needs a base and height. The base will be one side of the square for sure, so half times 5 times the slant height, which is 6.5. 5 by 5 will give you 25. Half of 4 will give you 2. 2 times 6.5, or 2 times 5 will be 10. 10 times 6.65. So 65 plus 25 is 90. 90 what? 90 inch square. That's it for our lesson for today. I hope you find everything easy. Don't forget to solve some problems to make sure that you understand the lesson very well. And if you have a question, you just write it down in comments.